Marriage is a beautiful bond, but before you step into it, ask yourself, are you truly ready? Let's dive into 7 signs that show you might not be ready for marriage just yet. Emotional roller coaster. If your mood swings are as unpredictable as a storm, it's time to find inner peace first. Marriage demands emotional stability, and you can't give that if you're still battling with your own emotions. Being emotionally stable means you can handle conflicts without feeling overwhelmed, and that's key for a strong relationship. Avoiding accountability. True love isn't about blaming, it's about growing together. If saying sorry feels like a burden, you might want to take a moment and reflect on your own actions before taking on the responsibility of someone else. Accountability creates trust, and without it, a relationship can't thrive. Fear of sacrifice. Marriage is all about teamwork, but if the thought of compromising feels like losing, you're not ready to win together. Sacrifice is a part of love, and it's essential for a healthy relationship. Remember, love isn't about getting everything you want. Sometimes it's about putting the other person's needs first. Seeking completion. A partner complements you, they don't complete you. If you're looking for someone to fill a void, try filling it with self-love and growth first. A strong marriage starts with a strong you. When you're whole, you're able to contribute to a relationship in a healthy and balanced way. Unclear. Life purpose. Do you know where you're headed in life? Marriage is a partnership, and without a clear direction, you might not know how to walk that path with someone. Make sure your purpose is clear before inviting someone to share it. When you're aligned with your own vision, you can align your goals with your partner's too. Struggles with trust. Trust is the foundation of marriage. If you find yourself struggling to trust others, marriage will feel like a constant battle. Heal those wounds and build trust before you build a relationship. Without trust, there can be no real intimacy, and intimacy is what makes a marriage strong. Prioritizing fantasy over reality. Marriage isn't a Hollywood movie. It's choosing each other through the everyday, the highs and the lows. If you're chasing grand gestures, you'll miss the beauty of the simple moments that make love last. Real love isn't perfect, and marriage isn't about living up to unrealistic expectations. It's about growing and learning together. Marriage is a blessing, but readiness is a responsibility. If you've recognized any of these signs in yourself, take a moment to focus on you. Once you're truly ready, you'll have the strength to build a love that lasts a lifetime. Which of these points do you think is the hardest to work on? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's talk.